Here's how to update your Huawei MatePad to the latest software version. All we have to do is go to Settings. From Settings, when you'll see under the account ID right here, under About, all you have to do is go ahead and push Download and Install. And then we're going to go ahead and push Restart Now. Okay, now it's going to pop up the logo. If the notification isn't on, all you have to do is in the same place under Accounts, go here, and then under About, it'll say check for updates. So go ahead, check for updates. And it says your software is up to date. Alright guys, I hope this video helps. And that's pretty much it guys. So if this video helped, please like, subscribe.